Yep.
Hello, I'm doing a bit of a channel takeover on Dad's channel to show you the TikTok egg sandwich, which I am a big fan of, and I think I've converted Dad to really enjoy them because I think they're a good staple. You get all of your breakfast, lunch sort of ingredients in, and Dad thinks it would be perfect for camping, so we're going to show you how to make it. So I just have a pan greased with margarine. Now that that's heated up, I've got 2 eggs whisked up, and I'm going to add that to the pan. You just want a thin layer across the bottom of the pan. And normally I make this with 1 large slice of bread, but we're doing 2, like a half slice of bread. So all you do is dip one side and then put it in. So it's like a French toast kind of vibe. So now we're just waiting for the egg to cook on the bottom. Now we're going to flip these edges so that they're not hanging over the edge. So this part takes a little bit of finesse, and we're just flipping it over so it cooks the other side of the bread. While that's doing its thing, you can add your cheese and some ham. And once that other side has cooked completely, we can flip it over, and now you're basically just waiting for the cheese to melt and for everything to get nice and combined and melted and beautiful. And there you have the easiest and most delicious breakfast for one, lunch for one, dinner for one. I think breakfast for dinner is always a good idea. But I think this would be really good because it only needs a couple of ingredients. It's super easy, quick, 1 pan sort of meal using 1 bowl, 1 pan. Super easy for when you're on the road. So the easiest breakfast ever, super quick, super easy. I want you guys to try it and show us what you think. Show us your recreations and all your different spins on it. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.